Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Love, back with me, DJ Lala Banderas, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Ako lang ba? O dinig nyo din? Sabi ko, lolo. Arte pamor. Lala Banderas, and eto na nga po ang first stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng walkaway. Para ito sa mga taong galit na galit sa lugar kung saan sila nabibilang ngayon. Love, personally, I've been hearing a lot of complaints sa mga friends ko about their work. About how they hate yung mga workmates nila, about how demanding yung bosses nila. But pagkatapos ng lahat ng nasabi nila, kinabukasan ay nag-show up pa din sila sa work with no sign of letting go. Why? Because they know deep within themselves they need it. Because they know that walang assurance na kapag binitawan nila yung meron sila ngayon, ang malilipatan nila ay wala nung nirereklamo nilang hindi nila gusto sa mga current job nila. I told them to walk away. I remembered clearly. I specifically told them to walk away. Walk away not sa mga trabaho nila, but the way they view their work, their negative thoughts, and their negative workmates. I told them to see work as a personal task that they have to accomplish, and then after the clock strikes 6 o uwian na, they leave their work behind. I told them to train themselves to use work as a platform to success. Walang work na madali eh. Walang company na perfect. Lahat flawed. The only difference should be your perception of it. Kung makakakuha ka ng pamilya out of that job, then thank you. O diba? Good for you. If not, then work. After the hours rendered, have a life. Kasi kung constantly kang aalis at trabaho dahil lang sa di mo makasundo yung mga taong you are working with, maybe the problem is not with them anymore. Maybe it's you. Diba? So walk away from those negative thoughts, embrace the chaos in front of you, and end it the moment na matapos ang shift mo. In short, kung ano ang issue sa work, leave it at work. Don't take the stress with you when you go home. Para hindi ka na-exhaust, hindi ka na burnt out. Okay? Love, second stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng walkaway. Love, if you are one of those people na nabubuhay to please others, trapped sa cycle of fitting yourself in sa crowd na alam mong kailangan mong itago who you really are just to be accepted. Hi, yes you love. You na napahinto, you na nakikinig right now. Hi. How many rejection do you need before you finally walk away from the wrong crowd? How much hurt are you still willing to take for you to realize na changing yourself just to fit in should never be labeled as friendship? Love, hindi mo kailangan maging mayaman. You don't need to be skinny, popular, or anything for people to like you or accept you. You just have to be you. Huwag kang maghabol kung lumalayo sila sa'yo, huwag kang umiyak kung iniwang ka nila o di man lang nila napansin yung pagkawala mo. They are not your friends. They never were. Listen, if kinailangan mong baguhin yung sarili mo, itago yung tunay na nararamdaman mo o umarte ng ayon sa standard na tingin mo, tatanggapin ka nila, then the people you are with are not the right people para pag-alayan mo ng pakikipagkaibigan mo. They are not the people that deserve your kindness, your care, your love. They are not the right people na deserving of you. So walk away before you find yourself alone in a place that you can never call home, neither your own. Okay? Walk away from toxic, quote-unquote, friends. Okay? Love, last stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng walkaway ay para sa mga pinagtagpo pero hindi itinadhana. Or at least, yun ang tingin nila sa whatever it is na nararamdaman nila para sa isa't isa. Love, once you are committed and in a relationship with someone na sabi mo mahal mo, there's no such thing as pinagtagpo pero hindi tinadhana with others. Yung tipong quote-unquote, we had the right love at the wrong time. O quote-unquote, bakit ngayon ka lang? Isang malaking bogus, BS, or talk shit yan. Excuse my language, pero walang ganon. Dalawa lang yan. It's either hindi mo na talaga mahal yung karelasyon mo Or hindi mo naman talaga siya minahal at all. Kasi believe me when I say this, kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, wala kang ibang nakikita kundi siya. Lahat ng magagandang lugar na mapupuntahan mo, ang sasabihin mo, I wish andito siya. Lahat ng masarap na pagkaing makakain mo, ang sasabihin mo, mag-uuwi ako nito sa kanya. Lahat ng love song na mapakikinggan mo, sasabihin mo kahit hindi ka pa marunong kumanta, kakantahin ko to sa kanya. That, my dear, is love. Love is so powerful that no one else is more beautiful or mas guwapo pa sa partner mo. But once na nagkaroon ka ng slight feeling for someone, meron ka pang last chance to be true, to defend what you have, and that is to choose whether to stay and give in sa temptation or walk away. So the moment na may dumating na sa buhay mo na gumugulo ng mundo mo, my love, wag mo nang alayan ng kanta. Just walk away. When you love someone, always choose to stay in love with them. Okay? It's a choice, not a chance. Sa mga kabisyo natin, pwede pa rin tayo mag-usap tungkol sa ating hashtag biyaheng walkaway sa aking Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. You are still with me, DJ Lala, and you are still tuned in sa aking programang biyahe. Ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso, hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.